How to add or remove voice access shortcuts on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on interaction and dexterity. So after click on interaction and dexterity, so you will see click on voice access. So after click on voice access, so if you want to add voice access shortcut, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, click on allow and select tap accessibility button and click on OK. You will see access. So voice access is add-on shortcut. So after the process, so if you want to remove voice access shortcut, so again click on settings app, scroll down and click on accessibility and click on interaction and dexterity voice access. So if you want to remove voice access shortcut, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, go back to home screen, refresh phone, you will see voice access shortcut is remove on here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add or remove voice access shortcuts to on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.